Drones are entering a new era. Powered by AI chips, flight controllers are becoming smarter. In the world of flight, computing power defines the boundaries. Compact in size, it delivers 10 TOPS of AI performance, supports multiple interfaces and stereo cameras, enabling high-precision environmental perception and obstacle recognition, real-time awareness, instant decision-making, precise execution. No cloud needed. AI models run instantly on device. Compatible with multi-rotor and fixed-wing platforms, unlocking broader possibilities for intelligent flight. In urban inspections, it captures every detail, giving drones 3D spatial awareness and a deep understanding of their environment. It not only autonomously avoids obstacles in complex environments, but also accurately identifies vehicles and dynamic targets using AI algorithms, while real-time thermal imaging reveals details beyond human vision. In the fields, it safeguards every harvest. Supporting mapping and 3D reconstruction for precise spatial modeling, integrating AI motion tracking to capture every subtle change. In disaster response, it saves time and saves lives. It empowers diverse scenarios, from urban inspections and agricultural monitoring to security patrols and emergency rescue. It leverages intelligent computing to meet mission requirements with precision. Designed for a variety of intelligent scenarios, providing more solutions across industries. The future of flight isn't just about altitude, it's about intelligence. Welcome on board, Intelligent Pilot.